Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to download the Tivimate app using Unlinked. So I would like you to open your app store and open the Unlinked app. If you don't have this application already, check the link in the description for a tutorial that will show you exactly how to get it. Now when you have Unlinked installed on your Android TV, TV box or Google TV, you're going to open it using your remote control with the OK button. So toggle to it and hit OK. At the end of this tutorial, you understand exactly how to use Unlinked to download the Tivimate application straight to your Android TV, TV box or Google TV. If you found value in this tutorial, I'd like you to drop a like, subscribe to the channel for more content like this. So click on new library and you'll be prompted to type in a library name. Now, the library we're using for this tutorial to download Tivimate is everything. EVERYTHING, just like that, no space, everything. Click on enter and enter again on the welcome page. Now you need to scroll down and find the Tivimate application. You'll find it just below. So these are media players. You go down to 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and you have Tivimate here. So Tivimate Premium is the one you tap and you hit the OK button. You find this download button and you press it. So you begin to load and you see this download beginning. Immediately when the download is complete, you'll be able to install the application seamlessly with the install button. Just hitting install will have the Tivimate application installed straight into your app library on your Android TV, TV box or Google TV. If you found this insightful, subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next video.